wedding. We're going to Jellyfish, Punta Cana.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it? You excited to try the food? How nervous are you for all this?
So nervous.
I am super sweaty. It's super humid. It's like 30s plus, like 35, 36 easily. I'm vlogging on my phone a little bit because I left the GoPro to charge. We didn't vlog anything last night. Last night was just figuring out things. We have like 68 people here. It's super hectic. We're trying to figure things out. So yeah, we're getting married at Jellyfish. I'm super excited about that. Nerve-wracking as well. So we are back. The place is absolutely beautiful. I'm stunned. Like I was not expecting it to be this nice. Nowhere near in hell I thought it was gonna be this nice. And I can't wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow's super exciting. And Miss Alexandra, you excited? Is that everything you thought it would be? Are you crying on camera? Oh, she's crying on camera. So yeah. This is gonna be awesome. I'm super excited as well. All right, so we're back on the GoPro. We just got ready. We're gonna have some dinner, and we're gonna meet up with a couple people from the bridal party. I may take the GoPro and show you guys around, walking around, so you guys can see some of it. It's around 6:30 right now, and let's get it. This is our resort. It's a huge maze, but it's absolutely beautiful. When it gets dark at night, you can't see shit. And if you're drunk, you can't see shit. And finally, the humidity is not as bad today. It's actually really good. I'm sweating, but not sweating as much as I thought I would sweat. So that's pretty cool. Oh, you're so fancy. Oh, kill him. Oh, kill him. Oh, kill him. Who are you gonna be in a few days?
Me.
You're gonna be Mrs. Lopes.
I'm gonna be me.
You're gonna be Mrs. Lopes.
Not in a few days, tomorrow.
See, I learned from your vlogs, the ones you... So now the mission is to find Mello, Alex, and Fred. And it's kind of hard to find everyone because this place is absolutely huge, and Alexandra and I are put on the opposite side of the map here, and everyone else is like in this area here. But we're starting to figure out how this place works and how to get around.
What's up, guys?
What's up? It's Mr. Mello.
Ready?
It's Mr.
Worldwide.
Mr. Worldwide.
Knowledge.
Hey, do a little dance.
What do you want me to do?
Whatever you feel. Hey.
As horas para cerveja.
Hi. It's vlogging right now?
I guess so.
I guess the vlog.
So this is the wedding day. We have everyone in the room right now. It's pretty exciting, and it's hot as hell in here already. And yeah, we're gonna start taking the first shots of the groomsmen and me and all that, and try not to sweat as much. And there's Daniel, and there you go.
The man is gonna be taking our photos.
Michael Fantuzzi. You gotta link him down below. He's legit.
And I'm the guy recording.
That's it.
You got a face for radio.
So these are my last few moments a single man. Today I am getting married with Alexandra. I'm super excited. She's super nervous and excited. We've been together for a very long time, and it's just super surreal. I love you so much, Alexandra. I'm not one to show my feelings on camera, but I'm doing this for you anyway. And yeah, this is my last few moments. I'm getting ready now. I'm gonna meet up with Alex, who's my best man, and then all my groomsmen, which are all my best friends too. And we're gonna meet up, and we're gonna take the bus in half an hour. So, can't wait. I'm super nervous, super excited. Hopefully I remember my vows, and if not, I'm just gonna wing it. And hopefully you guys get to see it because I got a few people recording. But thank you guys, I love you guys, and I appreciate everyone coming out to this crazy destination wedding. Thank you.